Social and Sustainability Marketing 1. What is social marketing? Social marketing is the systematic application of marketing philosophy, principles, techniques, and strategies to achieve specific positive behavior change. Goals for the social good of all in society. Odigbo, 2018. Social marketing is the application of principles and tools of marketing to achieve socially desirable goals. That is of benefits to society as a whole rather than for profit or other organizational goals. Social marketing is the design, implementation, and control of programs calculated to influence the acceptability of social ideas and involving considerations offered out. Planning, pricing, communications, and market research. Kotler and Zaltman, 1971. Social marketing is defined as the application of commercial marketing techniques to the analysis, planning, execution, and evaluation of programs designed to influence the voluntary behavior of target audiences in order to improve their personal welfare and that of their society. Andreessen, 1995. Social marketing is also the use of marketing principles and techniques to influence a target audience to voluntarily act, modify, or abandon a negative behavior for the benefit of individuals, groups, or society as a whole. Kotler, Roberto, and Lee, 2002. Social marketing is the use of marketing principles and techniques to advance a social cause, idea, or practice. It seeks to increase the society's acceptability of a social idea, cause, or practice through consumer research, segmentation, communication, concepts development, etc.